Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to fix this broken windscreen mirror or rear view mirror. It just fell off from there. So first we're gonna have to take this metal or magnet thing out. So by pulling this with one hand down and pushing with the screwdriver, you're able to take it out just like so. Gonna give it a good clean. Okay, so once it's all cleaned, it's nice and clean now. I'm gonna use the alcohol pad here and there. I'm gonna put the new place because this is quite damaged now, so I'm gonna put it in the new place here. I'm gonna wipe it with alcohol pad, and I'm gonna cut this mesh to the size just like so. Now here is the mounting button and the mesh. It's gonna go like here. So we'll take this glue and I'm gonna put drops around here, and then on the top I'm gonna put the mesh here, and I'll put a few more drops here, and then I'm gonna mount it up there. Just make sure the direction of this mesh and the mirror. If you put it wrong way, you're gonna have to take it down again. So just make sure which way it's gonna fit. Just cleaning with alcohol pad. And same here. Now applying the glue on that. Now we immediately fix it back there where we want to, and just to make sure it's straight. Looks good here. And just firmly press it down for about 30 seconds and you're ready to go. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more new videos. Thank you for watching.